Hey, are you troubling in forming effective English sentences? Do you use English professionally? If no, why? To have a good English communication is just like having a piece of cake, as easy it is. So, where is the problem that you are facing? There are many phrases that make your English sentences attractive. Yes, phrases. What is it? Phrases are a group of words that work together to communicate an element of speech. They are very important because they allow you to communicate better through both written and spoken language. And today I am going to give you another 6 significant and mostly used phrases that you can use, of course, yes, for your effective and advanced English. I hope you might have understood the necessity of using phrases in your daily life by watching my last 2 videos on phrases. If you have not watched them yet, then there at the top right corner I will provide you the link of the 2 videos. Go and check them out after watching this video on phrases for your better English communication that probably I think is important to add a good impact on a person you are talking with. So let's start. But before that, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Capriccio Learners. Do subscribe if you are new to my channel. Also press the notification bell so you will never miss any video in future and will always get notification of that. Also do hit the like button if you like the video and do share with your friends. So let's start. Here is the first phrase for you. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? That means I have not seen you for a long time, or this is basically used when you want to know what's going on in another person's life. If I'm saying to you, what have you been up to today? So you need to tell what you have been doing. That was basically used by you in sentences till date. Yeah, for that you can just answer, I was at work until 2 p.m. So simple it is. Anything you were busy in, you can answer as a reply to the person who asked that. So from today, instead of asking what you have been doing, just say, what have you been up to? What have you been up to? Coming to the next phrase, the second phrase, how is it going? How is it going? It is another way to say, how are you? How are you? How are things progressing, or what's up? It can refer to life in general, a project, or your day. It should be noted that this phrase is said or used in many countries with the answer expected to be fine or good. So if someone is asking you, how is it going? Just reply fine or good or not much or nothing, or you can reply alright accordingly as things going in your life. That means instead of using how are you from today, start using how is it going? How is it going? Coming to my next phrase, the third phrase, don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. That means to take something seriously, to internalize or live according to something. Example, advice. If you take criticism or advice to heart, you think about it seriously, often because it upsets you. So there other person be using for you and telling you is don't think much instead, or don't be sad. Just say don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. Coming to the next phrase, the fourth phrase, step up your game. Step up your game. That means to improve in some way, usually so that one can perform as well as others. For example, she really stepped up her game. She is faster and is scoring more points than ever. Means to work harder or work better. You use is you work hard or improve your performance, but from today just use step up your game. Step up your game. Coming to the next phrase, the fifth phrase, that is I freaked out. I freaked out. Freak out phrase basically used if someone freaks you out or if something freaks them out. They suddenly feel extremely surprised, anxious, upset or afraid, or to make someone very anxious, upset or afraid. For example, I remember the first time I went on stage, I freaked out completely. A very easy phrase that can be used easily. So coming to the last phrase, the sixth phrase of the day, that is cheer up. Cheer up. That means when you cheer up or when something cheers you up, you stop feeling depressed and become more cheerful. Means you feel better. For example, I wrote a song just to cheer up myself, right? Means to feel happy anyway. How easy, right? English is just a language. The more you practice, the more you grab, the more you learn, and the better you become. Do let me know in the comment section, did you find the video useful, and suggest me where you are facing trouble in speaking English. So I will try to make videos on those topics for you. So these were the 6 phrases that you can use for more effective and impressive English communication. Use them in your sentences while talking, and do let me know how you are putting impression on others by using such phrases. I hope you have find this video useful. If so, don't forget to subscribe my channel Capriccio Learners and hit the like button. Also, do share with your friends if you have found this video informative. Thank you for watching. Keep learning with Capriccio Learners. Stay connected, stay happy. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.